Hello friends, this is Dr. Srinagi. Namaste. So I'm Ayurvedic doctor. So we are creating this YouTube channel with the purpose to help people. We have very good traditional methods and traditional technology, traditional knowledge of Ayurveda, very simple knowledge which you can use in your day-to-day life, and you can make your health more and more better. If you have some questions regarding your some disease or something and you would like us to answer about it, please write down those questions for us or tag someone who has this kind of problem. We would like to answer, we would like to help that person the best way we could do by answering those questions. And the purpose of making this YouTube channel is just to spread awareness among people about certain chronic diseases and lifestyle problems and some kind of mental issues which people are not aware of. It is just like people are not many times happy just because of this stress and all these kind of things, and they're very simple remedies for big problems. So if you adopt these kind of small things, you will make your health much better and you will live more joyfully and more pleasant. So I would like to say, stay healthy and stay blessed.